leħnek il-libsa tiegħi meta titfi. Fid-dlam ninkixfu tnejn għax-xejn ma ngħidu u bla ma jmissni leħnek nisma' xorta. Jiżloq minn fuq il-lejl bħal ħarir kiesaħ. Għas-seba' darba m'hemmx irqat il-lejla, sraqtuli llum ukoll il-ħolm, ħattuli biex issa leħnek biss il-libsa tiegħi.
Your voice clothes me. Your voice clothes me in the dark. Our nakedness covers our words. Your voice makes no impression on me, yet I hear it. Like cold silk, the night rustles over me, this 7th consecutive sleepless night. Once again, you've stolen my dreams. Now there's nothing but your voice to clothe me.
The next poem was originally written in English. I'd like to invite Albert Gatt to read the English version, and it has also been translated these past 3 days by Jean Portant.
Saturday. Her sadness waters over me like this wet Saturday. Bracing tides that yawn to engulf me, I swim in her love. Her sadness tiptoes hastily from breath down windows. Words unsaid would bleed if uttered now.
Samedi, sa tristesse m'inonde comme ce samedi de pluie, luttant contre les vagues qui bâillent pour m'engloutir, je nage dans mon amour. Sa tristesse sur la pointe des pieds dégouline de la laine sur la vitre. Les mots pas dits saigneraient s'ils étaient prononcés.